students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we have to say true or false. So here we are given the statements and we have to find out whether these statements are true or not. So in the first part, we are given that the measure of an acute angle is less than 90 degree. So we know that acute angles are those angles whose angle is less than 90 degree, whose theta is less than 90 degree. So we can say that the statement that the measure of an acute angle is less than 90 degree is true. So statement 1 is true. Now let's move to the second. The measure of obtuse angle is less than 90 degree. So from here, now let's considering about the obtuse angle. Obtuse angles. So obtuse angles are those angles whose theta measure is greater than 90 degree. But here in this question we are given that the measure of an obtuse angle is less than 90 degree. So we can say that this is a false statement. Next is the measure of a reflex angle. So reflex angles are those angles, is greater than 180 degree. So here in this question we are given that the measure of a reflex angle is greater than 180 degree. So we can say that yes, this statement is true. Next is the measure of a one complete revolution is 360 degree. So considering about D, here this D, measure of a complete angle. If we are considering about angle, this circle is representing the complete angle and the measure of this complete angle is 360 degree. So from here we can say that the measure of a complete angle is 360 degree. So this statement is true. Now in the next part we are given that if M angle A is 53 degree and M angle B is 35 degree, then M angle A is greater than M angle B. So here we are given that M angle A which is equals to 53 degree and we are given the angle B which is equals to 35 degree. So it is clearly visible that 53 degree is greater than 35 degree and this is which is given here. It is given that the angle A and angle B are given, then angle A is greater than angle B. So we can say that this statement is true. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of angles. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.